Hi guys! Welcome sa enginerdmath channel. Sa video na to ay magre-review tayo for engineering board exam mathematics. So kung gusto niyo itong matutunan, just keep on watching. Okay, so this time ay magre-review ulit tayo for engineering board exam which is Math Refresher Part 9. So, magsasagot tayo ng sets of questions. So, sa part 8 ay nagtapos tayo sa item number 100. So, let's start with item number 101. So, the 2 points on the line 2x plus 3y plus 4 equals 0, which are at distance 2 from the line 3x plus 4y minus 6 equals 0 are... Okay. So, meron tayong formula dito for the distance of a point in a line. So, ito yung formula natin. So, in distance D, doon sa line na AX plus BY plus C. So, AX sub 1 plus BY sub 1 plus C. Kasi sinubstitute natin dito yung actual value nung given point na X sub 1, Y sub 1. Over K square root of A squared plus B squared. So, itong A, B, C, ito yung mga coefficients noong linear equation natin. Okay? So, where K daw is positive 1 if B is positive, and negative 1 if B is negative. So, actually, itong K, pwede rin naman itong i-write as plus minus na lang. Right? Plus minus. Kasi para mamultiply ka lang din naman ng negative at positive 1 dito sa denominator. So, kung si B daw is positive, dapat gagamitin niya is positive. Kapag si B is negative, gagamitin natin dito is negative. Okay? Tapos, may sign convention din doon sa magiging sign ng distance. So, positive yung distance na makukuha kung yung point is above the line. So, for example, ito yung line. Tapos, ito yung given point. So, kapag above, itong point na to dito sa line, yung distance is positive. Pero kapag below naman, let's say itong distance na to, itong point is below dito sa line, yung distance natin is negative. Okay, so may sign convention tayo. So, gagamitin natin tong formula na to para ma-solve itong problem. Kasi sabi, hanapin daw natin yung 2 points. So, unknown yung point, yung x sub 1, y sub 1. On the line, 2x plus 3y plus 4 equals 0, which are at distance 2. So, given yung distance natin na 2. So ibig sabihin, d natin is equal to 2. From the line, 3x plus 4y minus 6 equals 0. So, itong distance na 2, yung distance nung point na hanapin natin dito sa given line. So, therefore, ito yung consider natin na ax plus by plus itong 3x plus 4y minus 6 equals 0. Okay? So, dahil dalawang points yung hinahanap, kasi ibig sabihin nun may 2 cases tayo. Kapag positive yung distance, saka negative yung distance. So, kuhain muna natin kapag positive yung distance. Yung case 1 kapag yung D, kapag yung point is above the line. So, therefore, yung distance natin will be positive 2. So, positive 2 is equal to yung formula natin. A, so substitute na natin, yung A is itong 3, numerical coefficient ng x. So, 3 times, unknown yung hanapin nating point, right? So, x sub 1 plus, so, mapapansin nyo, positive yung b natin. So, therefore, gagamitin natin dito sa denominator is positive. So, copy, b, 4, then y sub 1, yung hinahanap na y coordinate, minus 6, yung c natin, bale. Divided by positive square root of a squared, so 3 squared plus 4 squared. So, 3x sub 1 plus 4y sub 1 minus 6 over, ano tong square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared? So, square root of 9 plus 16 or square root of 25 or 5 equals 2. Okay? Ngayon, sabi, ito raw point na to is on the line 2x plus 3y plus 4 equals 0. So, ibig sabihin, pwede natin i-substitute itong x sub 1, y sub 1 dito sa given line na to. So, 2x sub 1 plus 3y sub 1 plus 4 equals 0. So, meron tayong 2 equations, bale. Equation 1, equation 2. Okay? So, gawin na lang natin yung standard form. So, itong equation 1, gagawin kong 3x sub 1 plus 4y sub 1 minus 6 equals 5 times 2 is 10. And then, transpose ko to sa kabila in negative 6. 3x sub 1 plus 4y sub 1 equals 10 plus 6, right? 16. Equation 1. And then, dito naman, sa kabila, 2x sub 1 plus 3y sub 1 equals transpose 4, negative 4, equation 2. So, systems of equations tayo. So, gamit tayo ng calculator. So, mode 5.1, input natin yung numerical coefficients nung x saka y sa equation 1 saka equation 2 as well as yung constant na rin. So using calculator, makukuha nating value nung x sub 1 is 64 and y sub 1 is negative 44. So ito yung isang point. 64, negative 44. Then yung isang case is, ang gagawin naman natin is dapat same condition lang. So, wala tayong babaguhin sa equation 2. Sa equation 1 lang, gagawin lang natin tong negative 2, right? So, kung negative 2 na to, so magiging ano yan? 3x sub 1 plus 4y sub 1 minus 6 equals, so, cross multiply yung 5 times negative 2, negative 10. Then, 3x sub 1 plus 4y sub 1 equals, so, negative 10, transpose in negative 6, ilan na yon? Negative 10 plus 6 or negative 4. Okay, so ito yung magiging equation 1, then same pa rin dito sa equation 2 natin. So input uli natin yung mga numerical coefficients at constant using mode 5.1. Ang masasolve nating set of values dito ng x at y is, so x is 4 and y is negative 4. So yung another set is 4, negative 4. So therefore, this is the answer. 64, negative 44 and 4, negative 4. The answer is letter C. Okay? Next, we have, if log 10 base A is equal to 0.25, what is the value of log A base 10? Okay, so, pwede natin gamitin dito yung change of base formula. So, let's say meron tayong logarithmic expression na log C base P. So, by using the change of base formula, so from the word itself, change of base formula, pwede tayong gumamit ng panibagong base. So, let's say gamit tayo ng bagong base, kahit anong variable, let's say A. So, magiging fraction siya. Yung sa numerator is yung logarithm nung power natin na C with the new base A over logarithm naman nung base natin na B with the new base A. So, pwede natin gamitin yun dito. Itong pinapahanap sa atin na logarithm of A base 10, pwede tayong gumamit ng panibagong base. So, gagamitin ko is panibagong base na A. Bakit? Kasi, kapag in-apply natin itong formula to, magiging yung numerator is logarithm of A base A and yung denominator is logarithm of 10, right, base A. Meron tayong property ng logarithm na logarithm of B with the same base B is equal to 1. So, therefore, itong logarithm of A with the same base A then is 1 over, so meron tayong value nito, right, yung logarithm of 10 base A is 0.25. So, 1 over 0.25 or 4. So, therefore, the answer is B. Next, we have the area of the triangle inscribed in a circle is 13.19 square centimeter. And the radius of the circumscribed circle is 7.14 centimeter. If the two sides of the inscribed triangle are 8 cm and 10 cm respectively, find the third side. Okay, so meron tayong case kung saan yung triangle is naka-inscribe daw sa circle. So meron tayong formula dyan for the area of inscribed triangle sa circle. So ito yung formula natin, area of triangle inscribed in a circle is equal to ABC over 4R. Where yung AB tsaka C yung sides nung inscribed triangle, at yung R naman is yung radius ng circumscribed circle. So, meron tayong value ng area, tapos meron tayong radius ng circle, tapos meron din tayong dalawang sides, 8 tsaka 10. So, hanapin daw natin yung third side. So, let's say area na lang natin is 39.19, yung R natin is 7.14, yung A natin is 8, yung B natin is 10, then hanapin natin si C. So, direct plug in lang sa formula. So, area is 39.19 equals A is 8 times B is 10, then unknown si C over 4 times R na 7.14. So, therefore, C is equal to, using calculator, shift solve or manipulate nyo yung equation, ang value ni C is, so C is 13.99 or approximately 14. So, the answer is letter C. Okay. Next, we have, in a class of 40 students, 27 like calculus and 25 like chemistry. How many both like calculus and chemistry? Okay, so pwede tayong gumawa ng Venn diagram dito. Okay, so gawa tayo ng dalawang circle na merong common intersection. So let's say yung unang circle yung calculus subject and then yung pangalawa yung chemistry. Yung overlapping dito sa gitna, ito yung common sa kanila. Ibig sabihin, ito yung hahanapin natin sa problem. Yung students na parehong gusto yung chemistry tsaka calculus. So, unknown yun, let's say X. So, given na doon sa 40 students, so dapat yung total students dito is 40. Yung 27 daw like calculus. So, ibig sabihin, yung buong circle na to for calculus, dapat may total na 27. So, kung meron na tayong X dito sa common sa calculus sa chemistry, dapat yung natitirang circle na to, yung portion is 27 minus X. Same din dito sa may gusto ng chemistry, so yung kabuang circle na to, dapat merong 25. So, kung meron na tayong X dito sa intersection ng calculus at chemistry, itong portion na lang na to, nung chemistry is 25 minus X. So, pag inad natin tong tatlo, so 27 minus X plus 25 minus X, dapat yung total is 40. So, solve for X. So, cancel natin dito si X, magiging 27 plus 25 is 52 minus X is equal to 40. Transpose si X, transpose si 40, 52 minus 40 equals X. So, X is equal to 52 minus 40, 12. So, therefore, X is 12. The answer is letter D. Next, we have if tan X is equal to 1/2, tan Y is equal to 1/3, what is the value of tan X plus Y? Okay, so meron lang tayong trigonometric identity for the sum of angle for tangent, right? So, it is equal to what? So, tan X plus Y is equal to tan X plus tan Y over 1 minus tan X times tan Y. So, given tayo ng tan X saka tan Y, substitute lang natin dito. So, tan X is 1/2 plus tan Y is 1/3 all over 1 minus tan X 1/2 times tan Y 1/3. So, using calculator, simplify natin itong expression. Ng final answer is 1. So, therefore, the answer is letter A. Okay. Next, we have a man driving his car from his home to reach his office in 6 hours. If he increases his speed by 24 kph, he would reach his office an hour earlier. Find the distance of his office from home. Okay, so motion problem. So, let's say, meron tayong specific distance nung tinatravel nung man through his car from home to office. So, sabi na tatravel daw nung man na yon yung distance from his home to office in 6 hours. So, time is 6 hours. And then, kapag binilisan niya raw yung speed niya by 24 kph, so let's say meron siyang speed dito na V. So, kapag binilisan niya raw ng 24 kph, so therefore, itong V, kapag binilisan niya ng 24 kph, yung speed niya is magiging V plus 24. Tapos, ma-reach niya raw yung office niya an hour earlier. So, kapag V yung kanyang initial speed, na-reach niya yung office in 6 hours. Pero dahil dinagdagan niya ng 24 kph, an hour earlier niya na lang ma-reach yung office. So, therefore, itong 6 gagawin kong 5. Kasi hour earlier. So, ano ngayon yung distance nung office from home? So, hanapin natin itong distance na to. So, buo tayong equation. So, meron tayong formula na speed V is equal to distance D over time, right? So, pwede nating isolve dito yung D as distance D is equal to VT. Okay? Ngayon, equate natin yung dalawang condition. Kasi, iisa lang naman yung distance nung home niya tsaka office. Ang nagbabago lang is yung velocity at time of travel niya. So, pag ginamit natin yung unang condition, yung V, tsaka yung T niya na 6, so, ito yung distance from home to office, right? So, dapat equal din kapag kinuha naman nating speed niya is V plus 24 times yung bagay niyang time na 5. So, dapat equal pa rin to sa original distance D from home to office. So, kaya inequate natin. So, linear equation lang. So, ang pwede natin isolve una is itong V. So, 6V is equal to distribute si 5. 5V plus 24 times 5 is 120. Okay? So, transpose si 5V. So, 6V minus 5V is equal to 120. V is equal to 120. So, ito yung velocity niya. 120 kph. Ngayon, to solve for D, di ba D is equal to Vt? So, using this condition, distance is 120 kph times time na 6 hours. So, therefore, distance is equal to simply 120 times 6 or 720 kilometer. Letter D. Next, we have 8 men can excavate 15 cubic meter of drainage open canal in 7 hours. 3 men can backfill 10 cubic meter in 4 hours. How long will it take 10 men to excavate and backfill 20 cubic meter in the same project? Okay, so meron tayong 2 activities. Excavate, tsaka backfill. So, sabi sa excavate, 8 men daw can excavate 15 cubic meter of drainage open canal in 7 hours. So, pwede tayong gumamit dito ng ratio and proportion. So, dapat, meron tayong 3 variables. Yung number of men times yung number of hours, so T, over kung ilan yung volume. Okay, constant dapat to. Okay, so sa excavate, yung constant of proportionality natin will be, so, meron tayong 8 men, right? So, 8 times yung time, 7, and then yung volume is 15, equal to K. So, anong K natin dyan? 56 over 15. Okay? Then, dito sa backfill naman, so, ganun ulit, MT over V equals K. So, this time, 3 men can backfill 10 cubic meter in 4 hours. So, MT over V uli equals, let's say, another variable for constant C. So, meron tayong number of men na 3 times time na 4 over yung volume na 10 equals C. So, ilan yung C natin dyan? 6 over 5. So, C is 6 over 5. So, ngayon, ang tanong is, how long will it take 10 men to excavate and backfill 20 cubic meter in the same project? So, using this constant of proportionality, hanapin natin yung time wherein different number of men yung gagamitin natin at yung volume, which is 10 tsaka 20. So, kung ano yung time natin sa excavate tsaka ano yung time natin sa backfill, i-add lang natin, then yun yung required time sa problem. So, dito muna tayo sa excavate. So, meron tayong 10 men times yung time, let's say time 1 unknown over 20. Equate natin sa constant of proportionality na 56 over 15. So, solving for time 1 or yung time to excavate, ilan yan? 7.47 hours. Now, para naman sa time to backfill, yung C naman na gagamitin natin is 6 over 5. So, same pa rin, 10 men times unknown T2, let's say, over same volume na 20 equals this time 6 over 5. So, T2 is what? 2.4 hours. So, therefore, yung total time is T1 plus T2. So, 7.47 plus 2.4 is what? So, 9.87 hours. Okay, so the answer is approximately B. Okay? Next, we have, in how many ways can 3 Marines and 4 Army soldiers be seated on a bench if the Marines must be seated together? Okay, so permutations or arrangement of people. So, meron daw tayong 3 Marines at 4 Army. So, kapag i-arrange natin ito, so itong 3 Marines, unique sila, let's say, M1, M2, M3. Tapos itong 4 Army, unique din, let's say, A1, A2, A3, A4. So, kapag i-arrange natin sila in a straight line or in a bench, in a row, without restrictions, ang magiging formula natin is kung ilan yung total nila. So, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 factor, yan. Or equal siya sa 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, right? Pero sabi, dapat daw yung Marines, 3 Marines, dapat laging magkakatabi. So, pwede natin gawin is, iti-treat natin as one group itong 3 Marines. So, therefore, itong mga army as 1 pa rin. So, 4 armies. So, A1, A2, A3, A4. And then, gagawin kong as 1 group itong tatlong marine. So, parang M1, M2, M3. Magkakadikit sila kasi together. So, in total, ilan yung magiging taon natin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kasi itong ang M1, M2, M3 is treated as 1 kasi magkakatabi sila. So, pwede natin hanapin yung arrangement ngayon nitong 5 persons na lang na 5 factorial. Kasi itong tatlong marine, pwede pa silang magbago-bago in order, right? Pwedeng M1, M2, M3, M1, M3, M2, and so on, right? Pwede rin nyo makompute as kung ilan sila, tatlo, right? So, 3 factorial. So, i-multiply pa natin tong 5 factorial sa 3 factorial. So, pwede na itong i-input sa calcu or equal to saan? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 times 3, 2, 1, right? So, ang masasolve nating value dito is what? 720 ways. So, therefore, the answer is letter D. Okay? Next, we have find the area of the ellipse having the equation 9x squared minus 36x plus 25y squared equals 189. Okay, so meron kasi tayong formula for the area ng ellipse as pi AB. So itong a tsaka b, ito yung nasa general equation ng ellipse, yung x minus h quantity squared over a squared plus y minus k quantity squared over b squared equals 1. So dahil given naman tayo ng equation ng ellipse, pwede nating i-transform ito into standard form by completing the square. Then, mahanap natin yung value ng a tsaka b. Tsaka natin ipa-plug in sa formula. Okay, so sige, complete natin yung square nitong equation. So, dito sa 9x squared minus 36x, i-factor out ko itong 9. So, magiging 9 times quantity x squared minus 4x, right? Mag-iwan tayo ng blank plus blank para dun sa i-add natin sa x term para makomplete yung square. Then, plus 25y squared. So, complete naman na yung square nitong y squared kasi wala naman siyang y term. So, as is na lang, equal yung constant na 189. So, anong i-add natin? Divide natin by 2 yung numerical coefficient ng x na negative 4. So, negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. And then, square natin yung sagot. Negative 2 quantity square is 4. So, mag-a-add tayo ng 4. Kaso, may naka-factor tayo na 9 sa labas. So, equivalently, i-multiply pa natin itong in-add natin ng 4 sa 9. So, 9 times 4 is 36. So, ibig sabihin, nag-add tayo sa left side ng 36. Para balance, mag-a-add din tayo ng 36 sa right. So, dito sa y squared, assist na lang yan, right? So, factor na natin to 9 times. So, factorable na to as x minus 2 quantity squared, right? Plus 25y squared equals, ano yung 189 plus 36? 225. Okay? So, para maging 1 yung nasa right side, divide natin both sides by 225. Okay? So, 1 na tong right side. Then, distribute kitong 225. So, 9 times x minus 2 quantity squared over 225 plus 25y squared over 225. So, simplify. 9 divided by 225 is what? 1 over 25. So, x minus 2 squared over 25 plus 25 divided by 225 is what? 19. So, y squared over 9 equals 1. So, therefore, yung a squared natin dito is ito, right? 25. And yung b squared natin is ito, 9. So, therefore, a is equal to square root both sides, 5. And b is square root both sides, 3. So, a is 5 and b is 3. Plug in natin ngayon dito sa formula sa area ng ellipse. So, pi times, so area is pi times a na 5 and yan yung b na 3. So, area is equal to pi times 5 times 3 or 15 pi. So, the answer is letter B. Okay? Next, we have the difference of the squares of the digits of a 2-digit positive number is 27. If the digits are reversed in order and the resulting number is subtracted from the original number, the difference is also 27. What is the original number? Okay, so digit problem. So, mag-represent muna tayo ng variables. So, let x be the units digit, let y be the tens digit. So, yung magiging number natin bali is 10y plus x. So, original number. So, meron tayong condition na i-reverse daw yung number, right? So, pagbabaligtaran lang natin yung x at y. So, 10x plus y is the reverse number. So, pwede na ngayon tayong bumuo ng equation base doon sa mga given conditions. So, meron daw tayong condition na yung difference ng squares ng digits of the two-digit number is 27. So, therefore, we have y squared minus x squared is equal to 27. Equation 1. Ngayon, sabi dun sa second condition, kapag ni-reverse daw yung digit at sinubtract dun sa original number, the difference is also 27. So, the original number, 10y plus x, minus yung reverse, so 10x plus y, the difference is also 27. So, simplify natin. So, 10y plus x, distribute yung negative, minus 10x minus y equals 27. Combine similar terms. So, 10y minus y is 9y. Then, x minus 10x is negative. 9x equals 27. So, pwede pa natin itong i-divide both sides by 9. So, magiging y minus x is equal to 27 divided by 9 is 3. So, equation 2. So, using the two equations, so pwede kong isolve itong equation 2 for y in terms of x. Y is equal to 3 transpose si x plus x or x plus 3. Ngayon, substitute ko itong y in terms of x dito sa equation 1. So, y now is 3 plus x squared minus x squared equals 27. So, expand natin itong square ng binomial. So, 9 plus 6x plus x squared minus x squared equals 27. So, cancel x squared. So, 9 plus 6x is equal to 27. Transpose si 9. 6x is equal to 27 minus 9. 6x is equal to 18. Divide both sides by 6. X is 18 divided by 6 is 3. So, x is 3. Therefore, si y is, substitute natin dito, 3 plus x na 3, y is 6. So, therefore, yung number natin is 10 times y na 6 plus yung x natin na 3, 60 plus 3 or 63. So, therefore, the answer is 63. Letter C. Okay? Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Engineering Board Exam Review Math Pressure Part 9. So, abangan nyo na lang yung next upload ko for Engineering Board Exam Review, which is Math Refresher Part 10. So, sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video na to at maraming salamat sa panonood.